Hi guys, today in this video we are going to unbox the Segate hard drive 2 TB. Let's open the box first. You can see here, this is Segate. Keep this box outside. You can see Segate backup plus 2 TB. You can see here, Milo create 1 year offer. You can see here Adobe CC photography plan 4 months membership. You can see back. This is the pricing. I have purchased this one on Amazon for 5299. I will give the link in the description. Please check out. Let's open the box. If we are going to unboxing, let's see what components inside the box. You can see here. This is hard drive. This is hard disk. See, let's keep this one aside. Let's check what is the inside. There's nothing. Some paperwork. This is the Milo subscription. This is the Milo subscription page. This one keep aside. This is paperwork. This is Adobe CC photography plan and subscription membership card. How to access this one, Segate instruction manual. You can see. You can see here. It's all the components. Let's go and unbox the Segate hard disk first. Let's see. This is hard disk. This one's so slim and very nice, with a front red and black, backside white coating. It's plastic made. This is USB connector cable. This is 2 TB, 1.8 TB free space.